What's going on, guys? I'm back with another video, and happy new year to all of you. I hope this year we're gonna have a very great year. I hope you guys, all of you, whoever is has clicked on this video, I hope you will be rich within the next 2 years. This crypto bull market that is coming is gonna make a lot of people rich if you are smart to get in on time and get out on time. Okay, do not hold forever if you want to make money in crypto because of these cycles we have. Okay, do you guys subscribe to this channel? Because I have been in crypto since end of 2016. I have made a lot of mistakes. I have lost a lot of money, thousands of dollars, until I've got to this point, and I am so ready for this new bull market. But as you guys have watched, if you guys have been subscribed to me, you know I'm honest. I do not care if I'm going to be bearish short term. I will tell you my opinion. A lot of you guys like my honesty, and I really thank you guys so much. I have been warning you guys about crypto markets that we could have a crash before having, okay? Because this rally that we've had, we could have a really fast pullback, and a lot of you guys are going to be surprised. Okay, the economy has not been doing great. They are going to eventually cut interest rates. Eventually, cutting interest rates will not be good for Bitcoin or a stock market. Okay, or crypto in general. I told you guys, and today we had a rally. I actually posted on my YouTube. I did not post any video, but I had a post that I said, expect a volatility for Bitcoin today, which we did. That Bitcoin has gone on more than 5% up today. All right, and I said there is a high chance of it still going to 48K because of this resistant line in here. We have seen a lot of resistant line, a lot of failure. We have seen for Bitcoin to in order to pass this level. We are getting so much closer to it. Okay, we're gonna cover BTC dominance. We're gonna go over USDT dominance. We're gonna go over everything else, dominance of every other crypto excluding Bitcoin. Okay, this is that. And I'm going to talk about that. All right, let's go. Actually, it's really nice to see that Bitcoin is gaining, but temporary, it could disappoint you guys. I want you guys to be patient, to wait. We still have 113 days till halving, which is more than 3 months. Okay, 3 months and a half. Actually, 4 months almost. And I have pointed these lines. This is gonna be the halving around halving 17th, but I had to, since this is weekly, I had to point on 15th. Okay, we are almost this much away. A lot of things could happen within this time. Okay, and I'm not changing my words. Yeah, if you guys have been watching my videos, USDT dominance, I still said there is a lot of support for USDT dominance. And if we get to this closed candle, there's a high chance of getting pullback, which if USDT goes higher, we're going to see Bitcoin going lower. Okay, which totally makes sense. There is a high chance of actually having a retest around this area, which is going down almost $2,000, which could actually pump altcoins a little bit more. Getting money out of Bitcoin could go to altcoins. Okay, which this will be altcoins. We are getting closer, a lot closer to a lot of resistance for. Let me actually pull this down. You guys see these shadows. These shadows means if the dominance of altcoins goes and meets about around this area, there could be a rejection. Okay, this keeps going up. Let's go back to the last halving we had. Last halving, this was almost 4 months away, if I'm not wrong. Let me double check. So March, April. Well, actually, no, a little bit more. Could be around this area. If I'm not, I hope I'm not wrong. Okay, let me double check. Could be almost this much. Okay, so altcoins were still getting pump. This chart is excluding Bitcoin, so there could be a chance still some altcoins get pumps, and there is a chance of going back down. Look how much less a market cap we got. I mean, not the dominance we got here. I'm sorry, this is not a dominance actually. This is just billion by market cap. This is the market cap. And so in here, there is a high chance of meeting this area. This resistance could bring back down Bitcoin. You know that there is a high chance of going at least 20, 30, 40% down. Okay. So that would bring us, let's say from here, that will bring us almost to 31,000, 30%, 32,000. But as I'm saying, still Bitcoin could rally up to these areas, even $49,000, $50,000 just to do a fake out, because a lot of people are watching this area. A lot of people are watching to see if it goes up and it stays above here for 1 or 2 weeks, they're going to get in. They're going to get in and try to long Bitcoin. And guess what? A lot of big investors and exchanges are not going to want that. They're going to go opposite of the price to liquidate all of those longs. Okay. Be careful with your investment. Okay. And so USDT dominance, as I said, we could still meet this area and get rejected. Bitcoin's dominance, as I said, if altcoins start rallying a little bit higher, it could take away Bitcoin's dominance temporarily until we go back down to 48%. Okay. And if we get a support around here, Bitcoin could go up. But not necessarily that means that Bitcoin, if it finds a support around here and goes up, it does not necessarily mean that Bitcoin is going to rally even higher. Bitcoin could crash fast and altcoins even crash faster. I remember Bitcoin when we actually went up in the dominance of Bitcoin went up, a lot of altcoins crashed. Matic crashed, ADA crashed. A lot of those big the coins crashed because of SEC calling them securities, if you guys remember. So Bitcoin's dominance went up, although a lot of coins crashed, and that was the reason. Okay, so it does not necessarily mean that if Bitcoin actually goes higher in dominance, it means Bitcoin is actually going higher in price. It could be a lot of reasons here. Okay, so there is a still chance of Bitcoin going down in dominance. That means it will push altcoins even higher. Okay, and this area is very important. I want you guys to watch it. And let's go to daily. All right, here's the daily, and I'm gonna draw the lines with you guys in here while you're watching. This was a resistance that Bitcoin broke very strong, and there is still a chance of going back and retest this area, which will bring down Bitcoin another $1,000 or $1,200. Okay, and there is another line that we need to draw, which by doing this we could actually predict how much higher Bitcoin could go. Whenever you guys see a price goes into a range, into a flag, for example, it started from here up to here. Okay, and if it actually breaks above or below, you can use this line to see how much higher it can go. It does not exactly has to happen, but that will be almost kind of close to where it can go, which will be almost $49,000. Okay, there is still a chance of going this much higher, and this could create fake out for Bitcoin. Okay, let's go actually a little bit out. Okay, this will pass this area, but there are a lot of other resistance coming in. Let's zoom in here. Okay, this will be around $50,000. A lot of you guys see that it got rejected. Touched it from bottom, rejected. Touched from bottom again, but this time it broke. It went down, got support, broke. So this area is there is a lot of volatilities in here, and Bitcoin could have a lot of trouble passing this area, and we could actually see going back down to almost $30,000. None of these are financial advices. Do not trade based on what I'm saying. But these are my warnings to you. I am so ready for next bull run, but we need to be careful. You do not want to hold your coins forever, because that's the dumbest strategy. I have to be honest with you guys, because I've done it before. I've been done before. I have held a lot of coins that I had. They went from $100 to $30,000, and they crashed back down to almost $200. Okay, so I have seen it. You need to be smart. You shouldn't be greedy. You should plan. You should manage your money and your time to get out of market with profit. Okay. All right, so this is going to be another update for you guys. A little bit of technical analysis, not too much, but we could still see, since Bitcoin has broken above, it could actually be a fake out in here too, because Bitcoin can actually go a little bit sideways and go back down. Okay, that's a possibility too. As you guys see, it is still going back to overbought territory, and if it goes about this area, we will see a pullback. Okay. So be careful. I will come back with another video. If you haven't already, like and subscribe, share this video with your friends, and peace.